All right, good morning, cyber traders. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Hopefully, everyone's all excited. Let me tell you, yesterday we had a new one, a new good runner-up. By the way, are everyone linked to my Instagram? I think I posted a couple of things. What we do is like on Instagram, we'll post some stocks that were like really running, like those 30-second clips and whatever. And then on our YouTube channel, we'll post, a couple of shorts, but mainly like more educational videos because we got to go a little bit longer. But did everyone I hope everyone subscribed to it. I know some people are not a fan of it, whatever it is, but I know we have a bunch of people right now watching on our social media network, also on Facebook. But the reason why I bring this up is, did you see this VERB yesterday? Oh my God, this thing was ridiculous. So we traded it yesterday. A lot of you know in the morning. It started right around $1.10. Now, this is like really unheard of, but the stock went from $1.10 all the way up to about 10:30, which, by the way, don't forget the mouse pad, right? Best times to trade, worst time to trade. Oh, by the way, just to remind everybody, just to kind of, and I'll post a link up there, I will be live this Saturday at Toronto, and we're doing a webcast. We're going to post that link up there. So I am going to be giving away these mouse pads. So if you guys come, you're going to get one of these. If I see you in my time, I'm going to be on at 4:30 to 5:15. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to give these away if you're going to be there. Anyway, getting back to making money, things save you thousands. Okay, or maybe they make you thousands. But look at this thing. It went from $1.10 all the way up to about almost $2 a share, $1.90. Now, what made the stock very attractive was that it was hovering there for a while, and then this was the what we're trained for and why we're here every morning. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit better. Right here, which we know, once again, worst times to trade, best times to trade, right there. You see that 3:30 time zone right there, from there to there. Okay, so right there is when that stock finally made its move. It did a Fausto flag. And then bam, stock goes from $1.90 within 30 minutes, going all the way to the last second to $3.40. This was unbelievable. I mean, listen, we had stocks last week that went, up about, 10 to like 30, 50. But to find a dollar stock, this is what and by the way, don't ask me what the company does, why it goes up. Who gives a crap? The stock is down. Who cares? All right. But yesterday in the close, I posted that up within the last 10 minutes. If you got my feed on that, you would have did great on that trade. You would have jumped in, you would have gone to the cyber group room, which, by the way, if anybody's watching on social media, you got that little QR code up there in the top left-hand corner. Just grab your phone. We also post that link today at 11 o'clock. I'm going to teach you guys a little bit more about level 3 and level 4 live, so you don't want to miss it. It's going to be online. Anyway, phenomenal stock. It was just awesome. And you know what? There was so many more out there. CLRB, another one going into the close right here. Stock goes from $2 to about $2.60. TLRY, another stock that we've been watching all day. That stock was great. That one from $3 to $3.40. Josh is one of his favorites. Verb is another one we know about that. IONQ, a little bit more on the expensive side, but it a little bit more also on the volatile side. But this stock, obviously, nice little push. You could see it also, right? 930 goes from 1730 all the way to 18. The reason why we do this, this is why you wake up in the morning to come and listen to Cyber Trade University. This is why we've been doing it for 30 years. This is why, you want to see, okay, this is woulda, coulda, shoulda. No. When you come into the trading room and you say, okay, this is what you missed yesterday, and this is what makes you wake up in the morning to come back here and see, okay, well, what's going on for today? Every day is a new adventure at Cyber Trade University. Every single day. So you got to keep that in mind. And the list goes on and on and on. DBG, that was another one, big short squeeze, 13 all the way to $24. I mean, that was just getting halted left and right. This one's going back on the watch list. MSOS. So this stock, you could see it had a great little run up right here. Ran from $7 up to about $8. You could see about the last couple of days, it's been a really good swing trade, kind of more or less breaking, 52-week highs right there. That one's going back on. NVAX had a good move yesterday. Got a little ugly right around 10 o'clock, 10:30. Once again, follow the mouse pad. All right. That's why we stop commentating going into 10:30. Fubu also is pretty good. I want to put this on the watch list. Fubu, you could see it has been moving up pretty nicely, $2 up to $3, and it's up again this morning. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. And last was HSDT. This one had a good move from 10 o'clock, ran from about 9 all the way to about $13. So there was a lot of stuff was going on. Now, I was actually shocked coming back from Labor Day. I thought that maybe, we wouldn't have as much action, but once the market started opening up and things started moving up, this is what you found that came into play. All right, now that's the past. Let's turn the page like I always do in my yellow pad. Okay, we're gonna write down our new stocks. So far we got 3 stocks that are trickling in from yesterday into this morning. Now there's a couple of more we're gonna keep an eye on, and some of them are just starting to move right now. There's this one right here. I didn't have it on my watch list. PLA. It just moved right now. Actually, that's why it just made a late move right now around 950. So I got to look at the level 4. But this stock right here, PLRY. Big pop right here. You got some buyers right here. A lot of redness means a lot of orders. 12,000, 9,000, 18,000, right around $1. So, and there was some orders right here. You could see 55,000. Stock's trading a lot of volume. 5 million shares already. This is a gap fill. So it probably could test these lows right here, $1.27, which, yeah, well, kind of makes sense. Did hit it and came back down. If it breaks that, the stock looks pretty good. But this one, I'll put it on the list. Good volume, good spread. It's cheap. Everything we're looking for. TRVN is one some of you guys were trading this morning, and it was pretty good, but then it kind of died, and it started to trend down. A lot of you remember this stock back in May. It ran from $1.77 to $3.20. Once again, very similar to VERB that we traded yesterday. Good little short squeeze. Stock moved pretty well. And once again, that's why we like trading. That's why we do that. And that's NBSE. I saw this one too. I wasn't crazy on level 4. I didn't really see that much action in here, so I'm not super excited. There's this 31,000 share buyer at 126, kind of holding support levels right around there. I don't know. I'll put this on the B list. NBSE, not super excited about it. This one, volume's okay, but it looks like, spread is just ugly. DRM, I saw this one too, no volume. DA, this one didn't move. What else I got here? I had SST. Yeah, you know what? Up 23%, 2 million shares, went up, came back down. No real orders out there. This one, on the other hand, MSOX. Once again, good stock from yesterday. Got a little bit of a push. There's a nice big order right here. You can see this big red line right here for 50,000 shares. That is obviously very attractive. That's what we want to see. So we know we got big buyers. It looks like somebody did come back up here and pulled his order. But look at 670. We're pretty much there. 670 is right here. So you can see that hit that support and it's going back up. Been a nice push. So that one we already know about. Boom, back on the watch list. All right. So you have So don't confuse it with MSOS and MSOX. There's 2 different stocks, okay? One from yesterday, which is this one, and then obviously, which they look very similar. I wonder if it's a warrant. You know what? It probably is. It probably is because pro shares. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. All right. What else did I have over here? AMC got crushed. Okay, so that one came up on my watch list, AMC. So just when you thought AMC wasn't going to move, news must have came out right here. Stock got crushed. I see a bunch of big orders right here, just filling up right here down at the bottom. You could see it right here, 24,000, 21,000. So it's kind of holding here, pretty strong at this 1150. So AMC, it's obviously going on the watch list. Hope you guys learned a very valuable lesson on AMC. This is not a swing trade. This has been a great day trade. And when it's trading, it's been a lot of fun. The PLI, just looking at some orders again coming in. We got some orders there holding pretty strong right there on that stock. You see it right here. I'm just seeing some more orders come in. popping up. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 stocks in pre-market that are moving for some of you. One of the traders in the cyber group room says, "Hey Fausto, what about ICCT?" Hold on, ICCT. So ICCT, you know, I looked at this stock and just be very careful with it. Definitely going on the watch list. Okay, ICCT. The only issue is this stock. Remember, we traded it. It went from $2 up to 20, and it came crashing down. It's on an uptrend. So if you basically traded it with us in the cyber group room, you know one of the big things you do when we do our coaching with you, we tell you do your journals, everything. Make sure you had good notes on it. Remember how we trade it, because sometimes we trade so many different stocks. They all pretty much trade the same, but everyone has a different personality of stocks, how they go up and down the way they do with iceberg orders, shakes, all that good stuff. So just remember, it got into the category 3, 4, and 5 levels. So if you're not one of those, you got to be careful of it. All right. Anything else I'm missing? I did not call out. Anyone on YouTube or Facebook? Anyone out there? Instagram? Did you guys see any stocks? Just see if you guys have seen anything there. Anything else we're missing? No problem, guys. All right. So listen, don't forget 2 things. I'm going to be live at the Money Show this week. So please, if you register for it, I will be doing a webcast. So you could always get the recording of it or be live there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do something. I'm going to talk about some really cool stuff about the market. Totally different new event. So if you're a student of ours, please go out there, register. If you're logged into YouTube and Facebook, like I said, if you're going to be in the area, just click on it. Also, today, once again, at CyberTrade University, I'm going to be doing an open house right now. So once again, I'm going to debug the 3 biggest myths of trading in stock day trading today. That is going to be today at 11 o'clock. So just go to our website and you can go there and register. Feel free to click on that, and we'll see you back at 11. So a lot of stuff going on. All right, guys, listen, good luck today. Happy trading. We'll start commentating once the market opens up. If you're new here to CyberTrade University, just please keep in mind, remember, this is a trading room, not a teaching room. You're here just to watch and see if other traders, how they think for themselves and how we taught them. And on Facebook and YouTube, listen, guys, thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoyed the live commentary we did yesterday that we went all the way to 10:30. We'll do the same thing for tomorrow. But because we got an event today, we're not going to do it. But if you want to come and stick around tomorrow, we're here live every morning at 9 a.m. and at 2:30. But we will do an extension of tomorrow going all the way to 10:30. All right, guys. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Be safe. And we'll see you when the market opens up.